completed the ritual. What else should I do?
Nothing else. Go and live your life. You will live forever, younger and even prettier, until the return of your loved ones.
Thank you.
That was how Ojigo became ageless.
Where does Ojigo live now?
She lives in our tales, our stories.
I will fetch some firewood for you so you can tell us another story tomorrow. Yes, you tell us if our mother came back.
Yes, our mother came back. Don't worry. I will tell you the whole story tomorrow. Huh?
Thank you, Dabo. Thank you, Dabo.
You're welcome.
You have to
please, greet your mother for me.
We will.
Okay,
thank you.
Why are you here?
I know who we are. Please, I have come to apologize.
She doesn't need your apology. Go home to where you come from.
Ojugo, my love.
Our cause shall go with you.
Ojugo, my love. Please forgive me. Please take this curse away from me. Please.
Give him some palm wine, child.
I don't want to drink palm wine.
Then you will never get my forgiveness until you do.
Please. I'll go and tell my mother that I have found a wife.
Where you go, you are alive. You are alive. My love. My love. Strange feeling. Obi! Let us go home. He must be angry with you. Does he think I wanted my father to kill him?
Mother! Mother!
Oh, my son! My son! You are still alive! Eh? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Mother, I have found the woman I want to marry.
What? What are you talking about?
I have found Ojugo, my love in my first life.
Ojugo! Ojugo!
Ojugo? How possible is that?
I heard rumors that she's still alive.
How possible can that be? Ojugo died even before I was born. Udago, my grandmother told me stories of her.
Did she tell you nobody knows how and when she died or where she was buried?
Nobody tells you things like that in a folk tale.
Now let me remind you what the seer said 4 days after Ini was born.
His greatness will come forth when he meets Ojugo.
Ojugo, the fortune teller?
Yes.
But Ojugo does not exist.
She does.
She does. The fortune teller.
Isinu said that?
Yes, he did. I never took it seriously until Obimere came back today to say he has found Ojugo.
How true is this? That you came home with the news of getting married to Ojugo?
I love Ojugo. My heart lives with her.
What did she give you to eat?
Dear Bikobi, do not pretend as if you've not heard of the love story that exists between me and Ojugo in my first life. We are going for our marriage rites on AK Day.
You and who are going for her marriage rite?
You will follow me to her place.
Of course, I will not go to a place that does not exist.
Ojugo exists and I will marry her!
What do you want me to tell you?
The truth. Is it going to be heard that Ojugo was never dead? Is it going to be heard that my brother's son, Obimere, will marry a woman that has been existing in ages?
Edekobi, people kill people in their stories.
Are you saying
people kill Ojugu in their stories? Our grandfathers kill Ojugu in their stories. Do they not know that she's still alive?
I will not answer that question. If you want to know if Ojugu is still alive, follow Obimere to the house.
No. I will not go with him. It will not be heard of. No.
It is your decision. Edegobe, please, let me attend to the gods.
Please, my love, please. Don't leave me because of my father, please. You know I won't survive it. Please, I beg you. Please. Please, tell me, because...
Get up.
No. I will not get up from here until you forgive me. I won't get up.
Alright. Fine. I've forgiven you. Now get up.
You have? Thank you. Can I come and see you tomorrow?
If you like.
Obi.
Ulima. Is it what I'm thinking?
I do not want to tell him about it yet.
Why? You have to quickly tell him so that he can come and pay your bride price immediately.
No. I want to be sure I still love him. I want to be sure I've forgiven him.
You're not sure you have forgiven him and you left me between your legs.
Why has he not visited me yet?
Ulima, you have to go and tell him you're carrying his child. Because I will not spend anything raising his child for him.
Why are you here?
I have good news.
I thought we agreed to end it there.
Yes, we agreed. I was so excited that I forgot about what we talked about. You should hear me out.
So what is it?
I am pregnant with your child.
What did you say?
Did you hear what I just said? I said I am carrying your child. Wait, does this news upset you?
No! No, it's a good news. Oh, see, please, you have to go in. I'll come see you. I'll come over.
She's lying, isn't she?
Leave.
Toby, tell me she's lying.
You must be Ulima, the one who thinks she's the most beautiful.
You charmed and lured my man into your bed.
No, I did no such thing. You know, when it comes to matters of love and emotions, bed does not really matter.
Toby, why? How could you make a fool of me? How could you be this heartless? I will never forgive you this time. I will not.
Don't you dare go after her. If you do, I will get rid of this child.
What happened? Did he deny it?
That evil woman from Anita is pregnant for him too.
What? How would a woman be this callous? Huh? Men are evil. Poor sweet.
I am ashamed of myself. I just want to kill myself. I want to die.
No. You cannot kill yourself because of a dog. I know what to do.
I want to die.
Obiasogo, the man that came back as Obimere. Tell me, what bothers you?
Why did I come back?
You came back for a purpose.
And what sort of purpose will make me impregnate two women at the same time?
Is Ojugo pregnant for you already?
I wish she's the one pregnant.
I know Loma's mother must have pushed her to get pregnant for you. But that will not stop you from achieving your purpose.
But nobody wants to follow me there to do the marriage rites.
There are men from that clan who are willing to follow you. Yes.
Mother, my wife is here. Ojugo, meet my mother.
Can you remember me?
Have we met anywhere?
Yes, we have met before. I was the woman who almost died of snake bite, if not for you.
I do not still know where I met you.
We met at Ameke.
Ameke?
Yes.
I've not been in Ameke before.
Then you look so much like the woman who healed me. So why are you here?
Mother, like I said, Ojugo is my wife. She's her daughter.
Her daughter?
Yes.
She's angry.
She is. But we are not living here.
Don't worry, listen.
The trick didn't work.
Did you use it on Ojugo?
I couldn't look at her on the face. I used it on her mother.
Her mother? Did she come with her mother?
That is why I am angry right now. They came with loads.
If I were you, I would have used some men to throw them out of my house.
Yes. I know what to do. Yes. What to do. It has happened. My son has finally brought that ghost home. Hey!
Who could have allowed him to take her away without his kinsmen being present?
How do I know? All I know is that I want them out of that house.
Udako, we are not going to take it with strong hands. For if we do, they might take his spirit away.
Nai, you talk as if you want him to marry her.
Udako, but you told me what Isinu told you about them.
Yes.
I advise you, go home and live with them in peace.
I should go home and live with them in peace. There will be no peace in that house. Yes.
Then, do what you like.
I will do what I like.
Mother, you called me.
Yes. What did you say about that old woman?
You heard what I said. Ojugo is her mother.
Wait. Is she the reincarnation of her late daughter, or I don't understand?
Mother, Ojugo is her mother. Is that why you called me out here?
If she's the daughter of that old woman, that makes it all mysterious. I have to do something. How on earth is that possible? Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
If we were thinking the same way, we wouldn't be here.
What are you saying?
Udako, you are a gadfly. Remember what I told you a few days after the birth of Obimere? Why do you want to twist the wish of the gods?
What I saw in my house cannot be the wish of the gods. It is strange!
Udako! I do not wish to talk about this anymore.
Please, you have to help me. I will pay you.
No, Nick. You don't need to pay me. I will do it. I'll bring his mind back. I will.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
How could you? How could you do this to me? You got me pregnant and went on to marry another. Why? So it's you. You have succeeded in having him with your lies and fake fortune telling. What do you want? I want you to leave my man. I am pregnant with his child.
That is good news. I will ask him to marry you as his second wife, so you can bear us children.
Have to kill yourself over this. I believe another man will come. Another man will come. That was the exact same thing you told me before he came. Now he's with that evil, strange Ojugo. Honor, I had a dream. In that dream, you were dancing with Obi and people. Plenty people were clapping and cheering you up. You didn't tell me that.
not tell me that to suit me. Well, I had a dream too. And in my dream, Obi was drifting away from me into her arms. I may never have him again.
You are wrong. You are carrying Obi's child. Honor, if I were you, I will go and live with him there. Once you have him a child, he will have no other option than to send that evil woman away.
You're right. I am going to give him a child. Yes. But another woman is pregnant for him.
Another woman?
Yes.
And who is the woman?
The woman from his clan.
And that will not stop you from being his first wife. Ona, you are the daughter of Okedeka. No man would want to make you his second choice.
You're just saying that to give me hope.
Oh no. You are hope. You are beautiful. Stand up. Stand up and fight for what is rightfully yours.
Are you not going to say anything?
What do you want me to say?
You started all this, so you should find a way to fix it.
Don't you dare raise your voice at me.
I am saying the truth.
Which truth?
If you did not send Obi to Ojugo, this wouldn't have happened.
How would I have known that Adeogo still exists? How would I have known that she's still alive?
So you wanted him dead? You wanted him dead for loving me? You wanted him dead because you wanted Dubisi to marry me? But then why? Why?
What are you doing in my house?
No.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing here?
He's the man I told you about.
I know him. And I don't want him here.
He has good intentions. He wants to marry me. He's a noble man.
I said I don't want him here. Young man, leave my house. Get out of my house. Go away.
Wilima! Wilima! My love, I'm sorry about what my mother did.
I am not angry with her. I care so much about her, and I'll do anything for you.
Olimma, I'm going to your house.
I cannot remember inviting you to my house.
I'll be waiting.
Ndewisi.
Yeah.
My in-law. Welcome. Please sit down.
I came in respect of what we discussed the last time.
I've told her everything. She's waiting for you. She can't wait to be your wife. Because she has no choice than to marry you. Because they are the best thing that would ever happen to her.
No. You have promised me this before. And I've been waiting patiently. You see, I hate embarrassment. The other time I saw her frolicking with that Reef village local champion. I hate being embarrassed. I keep my words, and I want your word to be your bond.
Mine is my bond too. Don't mind her. It's only distracting her, but she's already your wife. She's made and prepared for you. She has no choice than to marry you.
You're really encouraging me.
Yes. Oh, Uli is here. What? Uli, come and sit here. Lucy is here to see you.
Olima, how are you?
Ne, I have said it, and I am saying it again, that I am not interested in any discussion that has to do with him.
Uli, please come.
Ulima! Uli!
Please, come on. She's only but a child. And she'll behave like a child. Don't worry, I have everything under control. She will marry you.
No.
Yes.
I don't want to run out of patience.
You won't.
You know you stand to gain a lot if I become your in-law.
I know.
I cannot be tolerating this all the time from her. Please, do your work.
I am doing that already.
I beg to take my leave.
Thank you. Send me well to your father.
Yeah, excuse me.
Ulima! Uli!
If you do not let me marry Obi, I will kill myself.
That boy is full of course. Haven't you heard he came back to this life a second time with Oman?
I know you're saying all that because you want me to change my mind.
Ulima, why do you love him this much?
Mother, he's a noble man. He's kind.
In that case, send for him. I would like to see him. Do you really love my daughter?
Yes, I love her so much.
What can you do to keep her love?
I'll do anything.
There are stories going around that you came back to life a second time with Oman.
Mother, please stop.
If you doubt it, go to Ojugo the seer. She will confirm it. And if she says you're destined to marry my daughter, come back. I will let you marry her.
Ojugo? But I don't know her.
Go and look for her. You said you'd do anything to keep my daughter's love.
That was how you sent him to her.
Did I also send you to go and open your legs to him? You shamelessly sold your respect.
I cannot take this. I will kill myself. I want to die.
Only, Go ahead and kill yourself. And I'm ready, prepared to bury you.
What? Una, please. In as much as I'm the one that advised you to go and live with him, your father asked me to tell you to come back, please. Really?
Well, go and tell my father that he's not going to stop me this time.
Una, please. How am I going to face him now? Should I go back? Or I should follow her? Hi. Ona, please. Ona!
The woman lives in your house is the real Ojugo.
It's the real Ojugo. Fortune teller.
I do not want her in my house. How can she be real when her daughter is older than she is?
She is ageless. Odakanka.
Then something must break it.
Eh?
I can put my life on it. I can even put my blood on this. Something must break it. Yes. What are you telling me?
I will help you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Leave me alone. What have I done? What have you not done? Do you think I don't know you go around the village asking Ulima to marry?
Where did you hear that one from? Even if is she more beautiful than you? Come on.
She is, and you know it. Leave me, I want to buy some stuff from the house.
Stop now, stop. Even if she's beautiful, like you said, she's a daughter of nobody.
Rubbish.
Adugo! Adugo! Adugo!
Adugo, you're one of the richest men in this village, but you don't behave as one. Why do you like following me around?
You have captured my heart. Please, give me a chance. Okay, wait. Take this. I traveled to Umaro and I told them to specially make this deal for you. You like it?
Thank you. It's beautiful.
I will make more for you if you give me a chance.
I hope you will not break my heart.
Am I mad? I won't break your heart. Okay? I'll protect it instead.
Okay. Thank you.
Come on.
Let me see how you will survive this. You must die. You must die this time around. Let me see.
I love this film.
Really?
It's so beautiful.
Like I told you, I'll get you more.
Seriously?
And not just that. I and my parents will come and see your parents.
You're welcome. I'm so excited. Let me run along. Can I give my father this? I'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Lima, what is the problem?
I have lost everything. I just want the ground to open and swallow me.
What happened?
My life is at the verge of being ruined by my mother's greed.
Lima, you still haven't told me what the problem is. What is it?
Obimere has found another woman.
What? Where were you when this happened?
I have lost everything. I have lost him. I have lost him.
Lima, my friend, I'm sorry. Just relax, stop crying. Okay, I'll come and see you this evening in your house. Oh, Biko, let me just get home and drop this firewood. Stop crying, please. I'll come soon.
What do you want? I didn't invite you here.
Please, you need to talk. You need to settle. I promise I will make it up.
Ulema, what have I not done to make you mad? I've done virtually everything to make you mad. But you chose to follow that useless opinion. I have everything in my disposal. Farmland, yam seed, yam bound, name it. But you ignored everything and said you were following your heart.
I was always in the past. I went to live I could give all of my body to you if that's what you are to it.
Mama, what are you saying?
I'm there now. I'll give you all of my body.
Yes. Just for you. And you alone. Take me home. Do to me what pleases you.
Say woman now. I will pardon you because you have always cherished and adored me.
Why can't you take me home?
It's very important to me. The story here, it all goes straight into the
Finally, I found peace. Now, my child will not be without a father. I will prepare a good meal for him. Yes.
You are not happy. What happened?
The gods have finally smiled at me.
The gods have finally smiled at you. How? Have you settled with Obi Mary?
You will hear the good news later.
Hey! So she is still alive? So this woman is still alive. I said it. I said it that she is not an ordinary woman. I said it. I know. Hi. If I don't kill her, if I don't kill this woman, I will not be happy all my life. I must kill her. I must kill her.
Where do I take this food to? To his house or the bush? I hope I'm not doing something stupid. What if he finds out that I'm carrying another man's child?
My love. I brought food for you.
What kind of food did you bring?
Uba, you like it?
I don't want to eat uba.
Should I prepare something else for you?
Something else like what?
Anything you like.
Well, the love of my life is coming with the food I want to eat. If he's bringing the food. I do go.
What is going on here?
Oh dear, it's come. Ulema here brought food from you.
Why? Why would you bring food for my man?
So this is how wicked you can be.
After what? Say it now. After what?
So you have been deceiving me.
Ulema. Your mother collected 100 yam seedlings from me with the hope that you're going to marry me. What happened again? She allowed you to marry a common hunter.
I do not love him anymore. In fact, I never loved him.
Stop lying, Ulema. I saw you in his house this morning. In fact, the whole village knows you are his. Stop it!
You think I don't know you're carrying Ibimere's child?
Please, give us some space. We want to have a good time. Yeah. Broken Ulema's leaves.
Say what boy, I didn't know you.
Love with you, oh well, go see Memonaru. Love Makakwa, oh well, go see Tamuno Bimo.
So you had the mind to plan to steal my man from me, eh? Do you remember? I came telling you, begging you that he loves you. And what did you say? You insisted that Opimere was the best man in this village.
Ulema, what is wrong with you? Have you taken your time to look at Ndubisi? He has everything a woman would want in a man.
What does he have? What? 7 bands that he inherited from his father.
What are you saying? We are talking about one of the wealthiest men in this land.
Adugo. If you like him, go for him. As for me, I am taken. It is Obimere or none. Okwinana. Where is this from?
someone very special sent it to you.
Someone special. I can guess. Messenger, go back to him and tell him I do not need anything from him. And also tell him that he is not special.
I wish I had a man that will have my time like he does. He's a caring man.
He's a caring man. I do not need it. Let me go home and take care of my sick mother. Wait!
Here you are crying like a baby. Anyway, Ndubisi is taking wine to my father tomorrow. You can cry as much as you can.
Bring your face down.
Mother, this will be your price for everything bad you've done.
And it will be said that Ulima took her own life, and the gods will make her suffer all her life. Let me help you with the rope. Let me. She doesn't want to die. How could you even try to take your own life? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? When you die, Opimere and his wife will walk around your own grave.
You're right. What do I do?
Ulima, you are a beautiful woman. Very beautiful. If you don't want to be his third wife, then you can wait for the gods to bless you with a man.
Do you think it's right for me to be his third wife?
Yes. You know you might just be the first to give him a male child.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
She used to be my very good friend.
The charm did not work on her. So that stupid Dibia gave me impotent charm that has refused to work on Ojugo. Oh, I have to do something. I have to do something. What do we do? What do we do? You and your mother started this. And you're here asking me what do we do? Hey, Ulima.
No, I have a solution. I have visited a strong medicine man who told me what to do to Ojugo.
I don't need your help.
Well, I'll go home.
Do not look at me like that. I've come to live with my man.
And who is your man?
Obi! Obi, I am here.
Are you here to live with your man too?
Mba, don't ask me stupid question. I am Ogi the girl's daughter. I have come to live with my man alone.
He is my man. And nobody will share with me.
You cannot give him the kind of love I gave him. Only I can give him the kind of love I give to him. It's my man. Obi.
What is going on here?
Oh, my love. Please come and show me my place in your house.
Oh, Obi.
Mother!
With a broken heart, because of love, but I'm still waiting for love. Someone is still waiting for love. But I'm still waiting for love. Someone is still waiting for love. As time flies, age runs, sun will rise. My heart, oh my love, we stay. If a man if a man if a man Makalo mama kankalo mama kankalo papa mo Kankalo mama, kankalo papa mo. Omeneme. Ife melo banyo. Ife melo banyo. Ife melo banyo. Ife melo banyo. Makalo mama mo. Kankalo mama, kankalo papa mo.